Tissue?
Tissue!
Oh shit.
It's burning.
Oh,
It's burning.
whoa.
Tissue, tissue, tissue.
Where? Tissue where? Ooh, that's hard, that's hard. Hold that bit, hold that bit, hold that bit. Bro, we breaking the internet.
You heard that? With it, I've been stepping, I've been trying not to scuff my boots. Sleeping in the booth, don't like to talk, but gotta speak my truth. All this ass shaking in the club, babe, all I need is you. Tryna distance my life from these drugs, but shit, I need them too. With it, I've been stepping, I've been trying not to scuff my boots. Sleeping in the booth, don't like to talk, but gotta.
What's up, you guys? Your boy Taxi PNG. We're back at it again, another man. Today we have a really cool concept for you guys, a really cool, nice little fun concept for you guys. A lot of you guys have picked this up, right? So I dropped the link for it, and a lot of you guys have picked it up. The spotlight, right? And how I told you guys it comes with different gels. I'm gonna be using this yellow gel today, and we're gonna be creating an image like this. I'm putting it up right here on the screen so you guys can see. I'm gonna try to replicate that as best as I can to the best of my ability, right? So they come with different gels like in here. All of them are different, whole bunch of different colors. The one I chose to use today was the yellow one, and we're gonna be using this honey right here. This is from Publix, you know what I'm saying? If you don't bang with Publix, then you lame, you know what I mean? And yeah, so it's a grade A product of the USA is what it says. But nutrition facts, y'all don't really need none nutrition facts, right? Unless y'all like y'all care about that. Like I mean, like just make sure that, like, you know what I'm saying, it's skinnable, and you don't get in trouble with your skin, and your skin don't get messed up, and you're so yeah. And then I got a little backlight right here, a little front light right here vibes. But I think I'll mainly be using this one because they create images like this. As you guys can see, this picture right here is one of the test ones I've already taken. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and hop right in. The subject for today, you guys, is Carmen. Yeah, as you can see. So we're gonna be recreating that image that I just showed you guys. We're trying to kind of have a little bit of fun with it. So I'm about to take another picture for the tester to see how it comes out with this light. I'm using the SK400 Mark V. Okay, and it's connected to my my spotlight with the gel on it, the yellow gel. The reasoning behind me, right? Hold on. The reasoning behind me using the SK400 is because it's gonna give me 400 watts of power, and I'm in studio right now, so I'm in a controlled setting. So those 400 watts are really gonna help me out when, you know, making the light travel that distance, because the light is up pretty high. I could put it closer, but I got a cord up there that's kind of won't really like allow me to get that much closer, and I don't feel like taking it down and unraveling the cord. So yes, I'm being lazy. I told you guys to not do that, so don't do that. And yeah, but you can use the ADB2 as well if you guys wanted to. You know what I'm saying? I could put both of my 200s to the ADB2, and I could have 400 watts of power coming out that way as well. So that's also an alternative that you could do. But right now, I'm gonna use my SK400. The link to it is down below. I'm gonna put it, it's on my Amazon storefront. It's like $140, but it's the same 400 watt output as an ADB2, which is more expensive. And the 400, the 8400 and the 600, you got some really good output, but it does only stay in studio. You have to plug it up. So you have a generator or something, you can take it on location for that cheaper, like, you know what I'm saying, that cheaper price. But yeah, it does have to be plugged up. So, but it's a great light. I'm gonna probably get a second one for the other side. Kind of have a little bit of fun and play around with the different gels and stuff like that, blast the different color gels off. But let me know if you guys like this type of video, and I'll make some more just like it. But we're about to go ahead and get ready. I'm gonna go ahead and set up, show you guys a little bit of different stuff. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take a test image for you guys and show you how it's coming out. Hold it. Boom, just like that. That's how it's coming out just from the light. Boom, I'm gonna have Carmen scoot over a little bit. Right there, yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. There we go. So this is how it's coming out just from this light right here, you guys. Making sure the light is hitting right. Yep. There you go. Maybe I'll take this filter, not this filter, but take this filter out. I wonder how that would go. Yeah, it's not as concentrated, but it's a lot more. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys the image. As you guys can see how it's coming out. That extra yellow is boosting up those yellow tones in her skin, which is really what we need after adding the honey to make it, like, you know, concentrate together. I'm gonna have to turn off a little bit of those extra fill lights from flashing, so that way it's just only the yellow light. Now we're gonna see what it looks like with just the yellow light flash. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, see, and I could play with my F. I'll probably go down on my F to allow more light in, go down on my S. There you go. Oh, that's a lot. Hold on, I'm gonna go up to F4. Oh, that's a lot. I'm gonna go to F5. I'm leaving my ISO at 100. I'm going to F7. I'm gonna go to F10, no cap. I'm gonna just go ahead and blast it out. Yeah, F10 is crazy. Hold on. But then again, I might go down on my power because I have it at 1 right now. I have 1/1. I'm gonna go to 1/4 and see what we can kind of play with the 1/4, and then just make my other settings go down so that way I can get a little bit more detail within them. F5. Yeah, F5 is looking pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna play with F5, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna play with, so I'm gonna try to take some a little bit closer and make sure I don't really get in the way. I'm gonna gonna see just how close I can get with this. Let me see if I can get because you wanna make sure that you have all your settings the way that you want them prior to like doing anything else, because if you do that, well, I mean, get your settings right before you do anything else, because you wanna make sure that it's gonna like do exactly what you want it to do before you start pouring honey, because the honey is like the important part. So yeah, so we're gonna try this out. We're gonna try to use some of the gold to like help flash that, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like put it, let me see. I'm gonna put it like under. You can put your arms on top. Like that, because this should help. This should like kind of go up a little bit. So yeah, this should be cool. So let's try this. Let's see. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it should help boost some of those. Yep. And we're gonna put this on this side right here to help with that lighting as well. Am I being extra? Yes, just vibe, y'all. Just vibe. Am I being extra? Yes, but just vibe. Just vibe. There we go. Yeah, there we go. This is like light manipulation, okay? Light manipulation. No, your hands don't go there. No. I'm gonna lay this on top of this so it kind of like has like, yeah, so it has more space to like boost up, yeah. All right, so this is all for the lighting. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how we have this set up going. So this is the tablecloth, you guys. I have this is from Dollar Tree as well, $1.25, you guys. This was also created from Dollar Tree as well. So any light spill that hits down is gonna hit this gold reflection and boost back up right there. So this is a budget. This is a budget little, like, you know what I'm saying? This is like a budget whatever, you know what I mean? I don't know what you want to call it, but yeah, honey also as well. That was from Publix, not Dollar Tree, but it was the cheapest one we could find at Publix, and things of that nature. Yeah. All right, so I just moved it. I stopped being lazy and I just put it closer to our subject. And yeah, so now it's closer. So we're gonna see exactly how we can get this. Should I put you guys a little bit further so you guys can see that light too? But I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to see that light also. At least y'all can like see it, you know what I'm saying? It's right here up top, yeah, and it's going down, yeah. So that light up there is just for y'all to see me and shit, like low key. Let me see how this would look. If it looks too crazy, let me know, y'all boys. I'm still learning it. Don't do too much. Does it look crazy? Oh, this still looks straight. All right, I was afraid of y'all not being able to see me like a regular color and shit. But I still gotta color grade this footage, so maybe it won't come out looking as good as I think it's gonna look. But yeah, there's also a fan right here, so I don't know if like, I'm sorry, and things of that nature. All right, let's see. All right, bet. Let me see. Hold on, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this looks good. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is doing exactly what bro, see? Don't be lazy. Do not be lazy. I'm sorry for yelling. Because I was being lazy, and I almost didn't get this shot because I was being lazy. I could have not got this shot because I was being lazy. Like, because I was like, oh, you know, I'm being lazy. I want to walk. And then when I heard myself tell y'all that I was being lazy, it made me feel worse about myself. Because I'm like, damn, I just admitted to being lazy out loud. Look at that, bro. Come on, like, fam. Oh, and then when I boost the yellows and I make the skin go like, come on, bruh. I'm telling you, bruh. All right, so look, what I think you gotta do is, no cap, I think you gotta put oil in your face, like this oil. You straight with that? Okay, because this, then you put that on top of this, your skin's gonna already be like, yeah, exactly. So yeah, and I'm gonna get you some. Don't rub it on, just rub it in your hands first and then rub the residue on your face. You get what I'm saying? So like rub a good, like that, that's good. And now rub it into your hands. So we're using this right here, you guys, the Johnson & Johnson's baby oil. It's like the gel one. Rub it into your hands and then rub it onto your face. Yeah, there you go, like that, boom, yep. All around, yep, like that. Yep. Get your chin, make sure you get your chin and shit. Get the middle of your get right there. Yeah, like what the, let's see, one dry ass spot. But there you go. But yeah, so that's what we got first. So now she's like glossy and stuff. And then when you put that honey on top of that, it's gonna glisten even more because you have to already prep the skin. So the skin is already prepped now to be ready for the shot. So when I do this shot again, just look right here real quick for the tester. Yeah, the skin's already, yep. So the skin is doing what it's supposed to do for what I needed to do because I'm thinking about the edit. Like, I'm not thinking about the shot that I'm shooting right now. I'm thinking about the edit. That's why when I shoot it and I see it like, oh my gosh, wow. I'm thinking about the edit and how cool the edit is gonna look itself. Because when that edit is, bruh, because I see what I'm going for. Like I showed you guys the image. I already showed you guys the image. That's what I'm going for. Yeah. All right, you guys. So I got this spray bottle. This big came from TikTok shop, and it was like 80 cents or something like that. And yeah, but this is the one where like it's like automatic, like you press it twice or something like that, and then it just like sprays on its own. Why is it leaking, Ben? Yeah, this backdrop been through it, fam. Oh, you gonna spray that, Ben? Got a knee pad, y'all boys. Knee pad. I wanted to bring y'all closer, but I wanted y'all to see the light, like see how the light is shooting. Can y'all see like the light how it's shooting? Yeah, y'all just see that it makes like an overall flash. Yeah, bro. Look at your skin. It's coming. You know what I'm saying? It's doing what it's supposed to do. I'm telling y'all, it's doing what it's supposed to do. I kind of had it far back a little bit enough so that I could have like enough space for the clips. You know what I mean? Yeah. This is YouTube right now. I don't know. I've been caring about YouTube. I ain't been caring about Instagram for real. Like I got that one rolling right there. I just get a little clip like this, and then get a little clip like showing the process, and then just putting it together with no words. They're gonna mess with it way more than me talking over it and them hearing who I am as a person. They don't care. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm kind of thick. My booty in y'all face. I apologize, man. And then YouTube, I talk to them boys how I want to. Okay, the time that you have been waiting for. Okay, I've been prolonging it. I understand because I'm scared. I'm scared of the honey. Okay, honey's really sticky. You know what I mean? And we just finished with the hair and stuff. So we just added some more oil and things of that nature. And yeah. About to go ahead and get straight through it. So look, I got this recording so we can get like a little, you know what I'm saying, in the front, and I'm gonna like sync that bit so y'all can see the video and the video at the same damn time. You know what I mean? All right, let me see. 3, 2, 1. Just testers again. Just want to make sure before I fully go crazy. So guys, y'all see that amazing image? Goddamn. Look. So the settings, right? Y'all asking about those. This light that's flashing right above y'all that y'all can't even see is at 1/4 power, right? I'm using the Sony a7S III. Yes, it's a video cam. Don't care. I shoot it with photos. I'm using the 1/250 for my shutter. Always at 250 for my shutter. Don't ask no questions. That's what I use. All right. F5 because I want everything in focus. All right, everything that's in my frame need to be in focus, not 2.8 where I'm focusing on one pore, just her nose or her left eye. Okay, I want to focus on all of her. Okay, all right. And then we have my ISO at 80 or 100. Okay, I may go up to 100 just a little bit, add a little bit more light in there, or I might stay down to 80 just to kind of play around because you can. Ooh, yeah, there we go. If you have too much light, it's hard to bring it back down in post if your image is overexposed. However, if your image is underexposed, you can boost those shadows within Lightroom, Photoshop, or any of your editing softwares to bring back that light, bring back that detail. So it's a lot easier to bring images to the light from the dark, right? Rather than to bring them back from the light then to the dark. It's damn near impossible to repair an overexposed image, no cap. But an underexposed image, you can still work around a little bit. So I'm gonna underexpose it just a little bit so that I can boost those shadows when I'm playing with it while editing, all right? Yep. And I'm shooting with a JPEG. Y'all love RAWs, I understand that, but I don't got storage and I don't have enough money to store and pay for RAWs, okay? To store them and have them because I like to keep everything that I own, all right? So I shoot with JPEG. So when y'all see these images and see how fire they are, I'm like, damn, that's a JPEG image? Yes. .png type shit. Follow PNG culture on Instagram, you guys. I'm talking too much, I'm sorry, but like,
anyways.
Type shit. So, type shit. Let me start real quick. Boom, boom, 3, 2, 1. All right, bet. Now let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Let me see. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Yeah. Oh, look that way. And let me like see how it looks like from the angle. I'm trying to like see my different angles. Cause I even want to do it like uncomfortable. Like an uncomfortable, like close, like some uncomfortably close ones. Yeah. Yeah, I got this all the way at 70 millimeters, you guys. Look at me. Eye contact with me right here. Hold it. Yep. All right, so the idea that we're going for, I need to put you in the mindset prior to shooting it, is like, it's like a, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like a, you know what I mean? Yeah, like, oh my gosh, like, it's like, yeah, you know what I mean? Type shit. So that's kind of what we're going for. So just like, kind of keep that in mind when doing so. All right, bet. We're about to go ahead and start it on up. Think this is real honey? You gotta taste it before because you wanna make sure they don't break out or nothing. Good. It's valid. All right. Start with it. Lean your head back a little bit. Oh shit, it's already happening. You see? There you go. Hold it. Just do a few right here. Yep. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, these are like really, really close shots, you guys. Oh, that's hard. Yeah. Really, really close shots. There we go. Yep, hold it. There you go. Yes. Yep. So you guys make sure you guys can see the vibes. Ooh, that's hard. That's hard. Hold that bit. Hold that bit. Hold that bit. Bro, we breaking the internet. Oh, we're breaking the internet. We're breaking the internet. We're breaking the internet. We are breaking the internet. Hold on, don't move. Oh my gosh, we're breaking the internet. I'm putting that bit in cinematic mode. This one's gonna be cinematic right here.
You taste good.
I'm telling you, that bit real. Real honey. I'm gonna put that bit by your cheekbone. Now you're good.
Try to lean back, and then when you start shooting, I'll go forward.
Yeah, lean back. And I'm gonna tell you when to go forward. Ready? 3, 2, 1, forward. Yeah, so have them lean back and then lean forward. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, this hard as hell. Y'all, bro, oh my gosh. I've always wanted to do something like this, and me being able to at this quality is insane. Oh, yo, there we go, hold it, hold it. Oh, it's hard. Oh, yes, yep, there we go, hold it. Yo, that's like the thumbnail right there. Like that, the eye contact looking in here is like the thumbnail. Yeah, there we go, yep.
Oh, put some in my hand. You need to drip.
Oh, that's cool. Cause that bit while it's dripping down, hold it. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's cute. Oh, turn your face. I want like Soki some dimension added to it. Like I want that for the face turn. I'm gonna get in close, you guys. I'm gonna back it up a little bit so you guys can see all of the different like movements I'm doing personally. There you go. Yep. There you go. Yes. Oh man. Yep. Hold it. Oh man. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Oh yeah. What? Like yes, and. All right, let's clean her up. You good, or you had another idea?
If you want to keep going.
Oh, let me see. I think it might
More
have.
of a drip.
Oh, we could do that. Let me see. Stop y'all and start y'all again. Tissue?
Tissue.
Oh shit.
It's burning.
Oh,
It's burning.
whoa.
Tissue.
Where? Tissue where? Oh, good to know. Honey is not good for your eyes. I was wondering how people did that. Be cautious when doing this, y'all boys and girls. Didn't see that coming. Didn't see that one. You good? You vibing? You vibing or nah?
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Tight shit.
Oh, that's hard. Oh, that's hard. Oh, that's hard. There you go. Hold it. Yeah, turn your head to the right a little bit more. Yeah, like that. There you go. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Bet. Woo! All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. Thank you guys for watching. Do y'all want to see the damn cleanup process? Probably not. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to make sure to share this with a photographer, or a videographer, or even a model who might need some concepts, some poses, different things like that to help them get outside of the box. You know what I'm saying? And follow PNG Culture on Instagram, you guys. Don't forget, go bang with the culture. Go join the community. I'm trying to like start posting quotes and different stuff like that on there that like, you know, like be the voice of the photographers, you know what I'm saying? And things of that nature. But let me know what else y'all want to see. Anything else y'all want to see, put it down in the comments, let me know. And I always come and I always bring it and I always do the thing. So do your part and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? If you watched the full video to this point, I really do appreciate you. You're helping me get my watch time up, and that's exactly what I need. Until next time.
Taxi.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that?